Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'll be showing how to do manicure at home. So if you're interested, then continue watching. Firstly, I have uneven grown nails and a lot of dryness between my fingers. So let's just fix that. So first step is to soak your hands. For that you need warm water and then some rock salt. You can use normal salt as well, the powder one. Then I'm using body wash. You can use your body wash or shampoo or face wash as well. And then I just added a little bit of lemon juice in it. I have not added full lemon juice of that slice. I have kept it for later. Then I'm going to be soaking it for 5 to 8 minutes. And then once it's like 8 minutes, I'm just going to be pat drying my hand and then moving with the second step. For that we need this nail cutter, filer and cuticle pusher. If you don't have any of this, you can just use nail cutter. So I'm going to be making my nails really short. I'm not cutting it fully, I'm just making it short like this, and then I'll be shaping it. So doing same thing with my other hand as well. Once I'm done cutting my nails, I'm using this nail filer to file my nails, making my edges round and keeping my nails square shape. You can shape your nails according to your preference, and if you don't have nail shaper, you can just use the nail cutter shaper itself. And then once I'm done shaping, I'm gonna be cleaning my nails like this and then using this cuticle pusher. So be gentle while pushing your cuticles because you don't want to hurt your nails. And you can use this kind of plastic cuticle pusher because it's very soft and gentle. If you don't have, then you can use your nail shaper itself, but be careful. Okay, then I'm using Vaseline to massage my cuticles. So applying it first and then I'm making sure I massage my cuticles nicely so that it keeps my cuticles hydrated and moisturized. You can also use any thick cream to massage your cuticles. And then once I'm done massaging, next step is to cleanse. I'm soaking my hands in warm water for 5 to 6 minutes, and then I'm using that left out lemon which I kept. I'm just massaging it nicely on my hands like this. It's kind of scrubbing, and if you have brush you can use in this step. I didn't have brush, so I'm using lemon itself. So cleansing our hands with lemon will take care of suntan, dead skin and dry skin as well. Most importantly, it's very effective for our nails. If you have yellow nails, brittle nails, this lemon will take care of it. As it has citric in it, this is the best home remedy to get rid of all that infections. So yeah, I'm making sure I'm cleansing it between my fingers and on my palms as well. Once that is done, I just washed with the same water and then I pat dried my hands. And then for the fourth step, we need scrub. For that, I'm gonna be using this orange peel powder which I made at home. This is the homemade scrub. So I'll provide the link for you guys if you want to make it for yourself. So I just added this orange peel powder and then added some honey, and this should be the consistency for the scrub. And then I'm starting to scrub my hands. Make sure you scrub your hand thoroughly. Just go around your hands and between your fingers and also on the nails, and I'll be scrubbing my palms as well. So I'm just making sure I take time in scrubbing because our hands are super dry these days because of washing our hands 100 times. So just take time in scrubbing nicely, and then I leave it for some time and then I'll wash it with normal water. And this is how my hands look. It feels so soft. It's like supremely soft and smooth, you guys. You definitely need to try this scrub. It makes your skin super soft and supple. And then for the next step, I'm gonna be making mask. For that, I'm using orange peel powder and then I'll be adding curd to it. This is the consistency of the mask, and then I'm applying it all over my hands and on my palms as well. So this is the home remedy which I'm showing you guys. You can use it with whatever you have at home. If you don't have orange peel powder, you can just use basin and curd. That will also work pretty good. You don't have to have anything extra to do this manicure at home. So once I'm done applying it on my hands, I'm gonna be letting it dry and then I'll wash it with normal water. and this is how my hands looks. It feels really soft and very hydrated at the same time because of the curd and honey which we used. So yes, then for the last step I'm going to be using moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer you have at home, or else you can use coconut oil as well, but I'm using this lotion and massaging it nicely on my hands, palm, and on my nails as well. With that, I finish my manicure DIY at home. You can also add nail paint after this step, but I didn't feel like painting my nails. But definitely try this manicure at home, and I've also done pedicure video, so I'll provide the link for you guys. You can check that out as well. So with that being said, I'll finish this video. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.